So as you just saw, great place to go for a run.
Sorry to interrupt you, Steve.
What?
I've just had a phone call.
Yeah?
The new van
Is it here?
is arrived.
Now, we were kind of hoping that this being the last bank holiday in May would be when the new caravan would be delivered, and this would be its first outing, so we can test everything out, make sure it all goes. Life chucks your curveballs, and it wasn't to be, but hey, we take the Conqueror for one last trip, and I have to say, you come and join us on the Caravan and Camping Club site here in Devizes, and what a cracking site this is. And in the second half of this video, we reveal the new one. Did you guess right, I wonder? And so back to this site. And if you're dog lovers, I hope that lead is strong.
Oh, she's in rabbit heaven. She don't know what to do, Steve. The rabbits are fearless here. Right, where are we going then, Jeff? Oh, there they are, look. They're waiting for you. Mind you, she'll catch it. Be careful. Not bothered. None of them are bothered, really. They'll move out of harm's way. That's it. Look. I know. Come on, let's keep going. There'll be more.
It's just good. Just sat there. She's seen it.
Has she?
She's seen it. Look in the eyes.
She licked her lips.
Perhaps we're learning not to yell.
Oh, she's just tired. Steve.
Bored.
Oh, no, bored. Because they're not doing anything, are they?
Put your feet away from
Yeah.
the rabbit and you're bored.
Yeah.
No, going the other way. Wow.
Okay.
So it's the first day and we can't really be bothered to cook. So right next to the site is a pub called the Three Magpies. And believe me, it does serve some really good food, along with a really nice pint of 6X, because the brewery's in Devizes town centre itself. And on the short walk there, I think that one has seen better days. Or at least a very good project for somebody. And I know you're not supposed to give your dog treats, as in a chip, but hey, it's Christmas.
Just so you know, it's not actually Christmas, but she still seems to get away with the treats. And as Steve rattles through his tea and enjoys a pint of 6X, we think about walking the other way. This is out of the site and to the right, down narrow lane and up to the Kennet and Avon Canal. Perfectly perfect for this. It's when someone has brought their paddleboard along for the ride, and in fact the first ride on the water of 2023. So we wander down the Kennet and Avon Canal together, me on the side getting pitched on by bugs, and Steve safely on the water enjoying the tranquil river traffic.
Yeah, but tranquil river traffic sounds nice and empty, doesn't it? Apart from the fact I have to pull over to let somebody go through, and then it gets really busy. So I decide enough's enough, and we head back.
But even then we were still out for an hour in the blistering heat, not that I'm complaining. It's time for us to put our feet up for a bit before we head out yet again, but this time to find a different type of barge.
And walking down the other way to the Barge Inn, play on words, I don't like that, but this time we're not going to the expense of steak and chips.
However, you should all know me well enough by now to know I cannot resist, on a walk, taking loads of pictures of the wildlife and also the human wildlife as it goes about its business. Oh look, it's Speedy gone bargeless.
Oh dear.
And now for Speedy, the indecisive heron.
But we finally get to our destination after what, 30-35 minutes? Actually probably near 45 minutes with you taking all the pictures, but never mind, we got there. And just like the 3 magpies, this one is also dog friendly. But I feel something cold is required, followed by some rather nice nachos, and we wander back to pack up and leave Devizes. Thoroughly great weekend. Drum roll please.
Did you do your bloods this morning?
Yes.
Okay. What was it?
6 point something or other.
Okay.
That's a fingerprint for diabetes. Yes.
Yeah. So today we're going to be showing around our new van and giving instruction on the various extras that we have chosen for it, which includes a satellite dish system, which isn't a dish, it's a dome. And Steve will remember all of this and I won't.
That's not true. Because you'll have to do it, because I'm not doing it all.
No.
But the job when I go on holiday is not for me to do it all. You're to help.
I know, but well, it's just the nature of who we are. Steve is very detailed, remembers everything in detail, got to go over and over and over it again, and I'm not. I'll learn it when I got to do it.
Which is today.
No. Well, I won't remember it today. I'll do it.
Now, what video? So you do remember it, and you can repeat the videos over and over again until you've cracked it. Yes, you will.
I won't.
You will.
No, I won't. But I'll learn it when we're away. And the slight problem with these obstacles is that our intention of taking the new van away for a whole weekend somewhere to test it out is not going to happen. We're going to have to go to plan B.
Well, plan B is quite dramatic, isn't it, really? Because the first outing for it will be when we go abroad. Yeah. Which brings me on to another topic, because this year we have booked to go to Brittany. We're going straight down this time, and the Poole ferry, straight over to Cherbourg. So you'll be coming with us on that one. But it's going to be its first outing. It's going to be going abroad, so we need everything to work properly, and that's why I'm picking it up tomorrow, so they're doing some work. Yeah,
and we will have to test it and live in it for a couple of nights actually on our drive.
Yes indeed, I know.
But it's not our fault. We made some grand plans and life came along and sort of kicked them into touch a little bit.
It does that though, doesn't it?
Yeah. And you know, Steve finds this frustrating as a bit of a planner, whereas I'm more like, say lovely, let's find a way around it, and we will.
So on the holiday front and going abroad, I'll take you through what it is that we've had to do in terms of planning for this particular trip.
Well, here I am. This is the last time I'm going to sit in this caravan. The next person to sit in this caravan will be its new owner, and they will have a lovely caravan. It served us really well. It's an L-shaped lounge, as you can see, which wasn't my favourite, but Steve really liked it. We're losing the L shape with our new caravan. We put this in,
which you can see actually behind you, out the window, look.
Well, wait a minute. And then this, Steve put this in to create an end of the sofa, because both for this caravan and our first one didn't have one. So if you're sat watching the telly, you don't like that all the time, useless. So we're leaving that in there. We've had this sort of dining area, because Steve and I work from the caravan a lot. We use it for work. We're losing this in the new caravan, so I'm not quite sure how we're going to feel about that. If you come onto the kitchen area, it's going to be roughly the same we've made this really work for us, so it remains to be seen if the new one will work for us as well. And then this is our bedroom. We've got one of these, I don't know what they're called, side beds. That's worked quite well, apart from the fact I've always slept on that side, so if Steve or I need Lou in the night, I've got to clamber like a gazelle, like the light fairy that I am.
You are?
I am. I hippo roll over Steve in the middle of the night. And of course he never moans because he's so loving all the time.
Yeah, right.
So the bed is different, that's what I'm saying. And then bathroom is different, but it's going to be at the end like this one. So in some ways, really sad.
Yes.
To be leaving this. We've had 6 happy years with this caravan, with the ups and downs that caravans brings, our little snail shell, and now it's going to be somebody else's snail shell.
Yes.
So I'm going to hand over to Steve to do the big reveal.
Time to say goodbye.
Yeah. Bye. Thank you. Thank you. Be lovely for somebody else now.
So here we have it. Did you guess right, I wonder? We had quite a few guesses on our channel, and if Fiona pans to the left a little bit,
Yes, you'll be so surprised.
it's another Swift, but it's the Grand Elegance Grand version, and it's the 845. So it's got the same bathroom style that this one, our Caravan, had. We like that. And a big shout out to Graham, the Caravan vlogger. I'm going to say thank you to him because we weren't able to get to the October 22 NEC show to be able to see the new layout of this caravan. The 845 is a brand spanking new version. So once we saw that, we went, that's the one we want to go and see. So we're not able to pick it up today because we do have a little bit of a problem with the C&mc leveling system. So Swifts themselves are coming out on Monday to get that fixed for us. Apart from that, we're ready.
And we should say, Graham, you should be ringing Swift because you need a cut of this.
Yeah, oh, absolutely. Yes, yes, indeed. Come on, come with me. Come and have a look. Now, if you come down the back, come on down the back. So Swindon Caravans have been quite nice in so much they part both caravans together so that we can transfer one load of stuff from that caravan in. What they have done is also fitted the camera for me at the top there. Thank you very much for that. The reason why we've done what we've done is we've bought a new camera and paired it with my unit in the car, because what we've done is we've left the camera on the old caravan, right? So whoever buys it can just buy another head unit and that camera will then work. So we've had the camera fitted, and they've also fitted the number plate to it as well, so that's done. I velcro them on so I don't bother with the sticky things because they keep falling off. And 24 hours later, after a new C&mc remote, we fit the brand new Topro cover, and we're off. Finally get to take a run. So far so good, and have to say, impressed. So all this leaves me to do is say thank you very much for watching. Please like, subscribe, hit the little bell, and we'll see you on the next one.